Masquera same Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels, Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kiptanka kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chikuwaka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasibere Zimbabwe tapigira inyaya buritswa na the self-imposed Citizens Coalition for Change Secretary General Masengezo Shabangu avo vabuda vachidefenda President Emmerson Mnangagwa vachiva indosa zvakare nekuashima kwavakaita the SADC chairmanship. Vabuda Masengezo Shabangu in an interview vachitaura vachicriticize the opposition leaders nema opposition members ayo ari kuda kuwanikwa achidemonstrata muri Zimbabwe nekuva papa nemadhemo anga akarongwa the opposition vachitaura vachiti no to SADC chairmanship kuna President Mnangagwa, asi Masengezo Shabangu vakabuda vachiindosa paMnangagwa. Chingade Western White Road mungonzwa zvataurwa naMasengezo Shabangu during the SADC summit. Muhammad Zamukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section.
That we enjoy the beautiness of this kind of development. It's going to change the lives of the people. It's going to change our outlook. It's going to change our international projection.
In your last words, what would be your wise words to other opposition leaders who reportedly somewhere seeming wanting to demonstrate or denounce this event? What are your words to them?
You can't demonstrate against your own, because the position of the President of Zimbabwe was never challenged in any court of law. So there is no contestation about his role as the President. We may have differences with him in terms of policies, we may have differences with him in terms of our politics, but he remains the President of this country. He was never challenged in any court of law. So we hope that those who are opposing just for the sake of opposing, this is not their time. This is the time for us to have a constructive opposition. An opposition which is going to bring ideas to the table, an opposition which is going to argue on the basis of to improve the lives of the people, an opposition that is not going to destroy the infrastructure which we are trying to build, which we are trying to create, which we are trying to construct. So opposition is not known. It should not be known by demonstration. Opposition should be known by bringing in ideas, new ideas, so that we have a constructive, so that we can improve our policy, our infrastructure development, our lives of the people, the poor. We improve our disposal incomes, we improve our industrial front. So that's what opposition should be. A constructive opposition should be the thing. And a constructive opposition is there. We are trying to build a corner so that we embrace ourselves and say this is Zimbabwe, which we fought against the liberation imperialists.
Thank you very much.
Ndofunga pangozunzura mega muri Zimbabwe zvataurwa naMasengezo Shabangu. Ndofunga the My Zimbabwe News website yabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti vaShabangu vakapiwa MaMillions muri Zimbabwe, ndanzi mari yacho ramba ichingobuda iyo iri kubva kuma President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Vabuda on their website vachitaura vachiti self-imposed CCC Secretary General Masengezo Shabangu smiles all the way to the bank. Millions are coming his way. And the political landscape in Zimbabwe continues to be a roller coaster ride, with the latest twist involving the disbursement of state funds to political parties under the Political Parties Finance Act. The beneficiaries of this latest development is the self-proclaimed Citizens Coalition for Change faction led by Masengezo Shabangu, a move that has sparked controversy and raised eyebrows. The act, which provides the state funding of political parties with parliamentary representation, has seen both ZANU-PF and CCC as only recipients of the funds. ZANU-PF, with its dominant 136 parliamentary seats, is joined by CCC, which secured 73 seats in the last election. However, the situation is far from straightforward. Shabangu's faction, which gained control of CCC after a series of controversial events, has been embroiled in a bitter power struggle with the original CCC faction led by Jameson Timber. The Timber faction has alleged that they were the rightful beneficiaries of the state funds, but their claims have been dismissed by the government. Justice Minister Ziyambi confirmed their government has already gazetted the disbursement of the funds to Shabangu faction, stating once there is the gazette, the process of disbursing the funds begins. The accounting officer, Ms. Nyemba, can give you more details. While Shabangu couldn't confirm that the funds had been deposited into their account, he did acknowledge receiving correspondence from the government regarding the matter. He confidently declared, "There is no question on who the rightful beneficiary of the political party's funds is. It's very clear that we are beneficiaries, and that one is a closed chapter. We are receiving several correspondence from government over the disbursement of the funds." When pressed for details on the amount and timing of deposit, Shabangu directed inquiries to his lawyer, Tobani Sitole. However, Sitole, while acknowledging the existence of the CCC faction, maintained that there is nothing legal about that issue. "We are aware that at some stage there were other individuals who identified themselves as CCC, but there are no two CCCs. There is only one, led by Welshman Ngove." Sitole also declined the comment on the specific details of the disbursement, stating that it was administrative matter. The Timber-led CCC has faced numerous legal setbacks in their attempts to prevent Shabangu from seizing control of the party. They claim that Shabangu is an ZANU-PF proxy, a charge he denies. He has been met with little success. The current situation is a stark reminder of the ongoing political turmoil in Zimbabwe. The CCC, once a beacon of hope for change, is now fractured and divided, with two factions vying for control of the party. The government's decision to allocate state funds to Shabangu's faction, despite the ongoing legal battles, has further fueled the controversy surrounding the party leadership. The original CCC faction, led by Nelson Chamisa, who formed the party after losing control of the MDC alliance to Douglas Monzora, has yet to announce their next political move. The party's future remains uncertain, with the ongoing power struggle casting a shadow over its potential for change. Zvabudzwa nemaizimbabwe.com muri Zimbabwe. Tingazotinena sei nyaya yetu dzezvamufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.